we've got Chidu Narayanan, head of macro strategy APAC at Wells Fargo, now joining in on the show. Thanks so much for taking time out. And of course, all of the reports seem to indicate that it's a neck-to-neck race that we're seeing between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. Just to give us a sense as to what exactly the impact could be if in terms of what the overall U.S. macro picture is looking like.
Hi, good morning, and thanks for having me. You're absolutely right. It looks like it's a neck and neck race. National polls in the U.S. suggest the margins less than 0.5%, and that typically the margin of error is usually around 3%. So there is a very, very close race that we are anticipating. Markets have moved one way and the other. Leading up to the election, there has been this Trump trade that has been put on, but we have seen a bit of an unwind of that over the last 3 to 4 days. The two most likely outcomes are either a Republican sweep of the Senate, the House, and the White House, or a split Congress with a Kamala Harris victory in the presidential race. And these two have very different impacts for both FX and rates. Very simply put, in the former, we could see a much stronger dollar and a much softer dollar in the latter. Two specific points that would drive markets would be potential tariff risks on a Republican sweep, potential increased fiscal issuances on a Republican sweep, and higher risk premia on both FX and rates.